KSL Pulse. Babujwaga. Qeda ukuhamba uTito bhuti amabhakani waqinisa kanjani idolo?
My brother, let me start like this. Ensukwini ezadlula we Orlando Pirates supporters,
Yes.
we always create a vibe. During Escuse,
Yes.
besithi ace, ace.
Yeah.
I know, besithi ace kuphela.
Okay.
Escuse lo.
Yeah.
Sabuya seza kupenet shoes le shoes.
Yes.
Sathi shoes.
Yes.
Sathi shoes.
Yeah.
Sabuya seza ku Steve Shipalukulwiya. Sathi Steve.
Yeah.
Sathi Steve sabuya seza ku McFish.
Yeah.
Sathi fish. Ngizama ukubonisa the way abantu beParis becreate ngakhonto yabo. Sabuya seza ku Opamanyisa.
Yeah.
Sathini? Sathi ace. Ace.
Yeah.
Ace. Ace. Sabuya manje sabathola kuTito.
Yeah.
Sayishintsha that wetito.
Kuthu.
Wetito.
Kuthu.
Wetito.
Kuthu.
Wetito.
Kuthu.
Uyabona uthe uTito esakhona
Sure.
kwaqhamuka iWorld Cup ebeyise America naseMexico. Siqhamuka sesibuya nesitela sika Haaland. Whoop. Whoop.
Yes.
Whoop. Asikakamboni ukuthi uzozenzelani kodwa sesiqalile into ethi sizomcelebrate lo.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuthi kokuqala congratulations to Maswanganye. Ukuya overseas ama player amaningi they are very hungry ukuthi at least i-career yakhe umuntu for football afike overseas. I-contract deal yakhe ka 3 years siyayibonga kakhulu because some other supporters they have a misunderstanding.
Yeah.
Because they take ukuthi ube ne belt altitude kanti Orlando Pirates Football Club on the back they are busy with the negotiations.
Yes.
With all players njengabe bekade bekwe World Cup abafuna ama team siyazi yona nje bo talent but bayafuna ama team
Yes.
abo Apollos bayafuna ama team
Yes.
but akuyona ukuthi into eParis kumele inikeze ipressure for ipublic kumele idile ngezinto very professional. That's why today they are confirming yesterday ukuthi uTito utsamayile idili imnandi.
Yeah.
Sithi ukuthi uTito congratulations you deserve ukuthi uye phesha kwezilwandle.
Ngibonga kakhulu babujwaga. Yazi ngicela senze kanjani? Mangibheka i-starting lineup sa today ngibona 4 new players and mangizwa ama fans Orlando Pirates bawathukile ukuthi indaba yokushintsha ngathi yabathusa but namba results ahambe kahle. Ucabanga kanjani?
I think we as supporters
Yes.
we have to play our role.
Yeah.
Our role akusikhona ukupanic. Our role to support each and everyone.
Kwaphela.
Is it new? Is it old? But we support each and everyone or introduce a team, a coach. So that masenze kanjalo to welcome each and everyone. Iplayer lingatlilisha likwenze isimanga. Even at our introducer today, enze isimanga. That's why we supposed to singabi worried.
Yeah.
This team 1937 until today
Yeah.
is strong or yes is into very professional.
Yes.
I think what my motivation to the supporters, let's continue to support without fear.
Yes.
Let's be confident.
Yes.
As we can.
Yeah.
As we can, because if this is what is safuna ukubona kumele vele ukosha. This is a platform ukuthi ukosha exercise abadlali bakhe because in training unabo and uyababona ukuthi baperforma kanjani. Makhona ichance ukuthi akabanikeze game time. Let them give game time.
Babujwaga while besakhuluma ngoTito ne kukhona into engifikele engqondweni ukuthi just yesterday fans were panicking ukuthi balahlekelwe umfuking, balahlekelwe uSesane, balahlekelwe uNda, balahlekelwe uTito, uVan Rooyen ngaba bala bonke bathukile ukuthi onke lama player equality abomabasa top goal scorer uyilungisa kanjani yonke le nto kulahlekelwa ama player abahle kanje?
I think structure set the way is very important ngakhona is very good.
Yes.
They are know very well ukuthi mase sidedela umdlali already sesina replacement. Akumele sipanic.
Yeah.
Already management wethu masimdedela umdlali already zeke sena replacement.
Yes.
And then vele nama replacement akhona angena fit.
Yes.
Uyabona namanje ukuthi namhlanje abadlali bangene bafitha kanjani. Remember last week we play with Skokoni. We won 1-0.
Yeah.
Today we upgrading.
Yeah.
We won 2-0. Of which Saturday we'll see new faces again.
Yes.
And then maybe we end up win 4-0.
Yes.
Orlando Pirates supporters, please stop panicking.
Bangapheli.
Let's support our team 100%. If we are here at Scotland,
Yeah.
these results, they graduate us
They graduate.
as a supporters.
Yeah.
That's why we are happy.
Yeah.
Wonke umuntu mayiphuma la uphuma ejabulile.
Yeah.
Stress, yeah, akusiwona my friend. We are not a friends of stress
Yeah.
anymore.
Anymore.
Yeah, anymore. We're not a friends of stress anymore. Stress maybe singalenda to Nashurena or Crononkop.
Yes.
At ye arena, you are happy people.
Akwenzeki.
Akwenzeki.
Yazi ngicela sivale ngendaba ethini le. Babujwaha umuntu omela kakhulu abalandeli. I'm seeing njalo bangena ku WhatsApp ngivula iWhatsApp ama WhatsApp statuses kunama branches amasha avulwayo. Ikwenza ufile kanjani indaba yama branches amasha avulwayo kangaka mfethu?
My brother leadership yami.
Yeah.
Uyayibona le attendance la stadium.
Yes.
Iyona indlela sisebenza ngayo underground.
Yeah.
Ukuthi wherever iParis idlala khona any province
Yes.
outside Africa, South Africa, Africa ithole ino black and white ithole nabalandeli. That's why uma ubona I think last week beske Lipompo
Yeah.
bokuyisikhukhune game.
Yes.
Kodwa ifilapho bokuyini Orlando Pirates supporters.
Yeah.
Masiya eThekwini last during the week besidlala namazulu.
Yes.
Ifilapho bokuyamabhakaniya. Sabuya sayodlala neShipa. iShipa imove from PE yaya eDurban.
yeah.
But bekunjani eDurban okwamabhakaniya. Wherever we go,
Yeah.
we as leaders, we work very hard because we understand that the roots of Orlando Pirates is a branches.
Yeah.
I know some people there's individual supporters,
Yeah.
but I'm always pray them good. Please come and join a branch because there's a lot supporter nangayo beside indaba ka 90 minutes.
Yeah.
There's a 90 minutes, there's something after 90 minutes.
Yes.
We are Limala, we are there as a branch to support you. We are going to the family and comfort the family and the witness good besihamba naye. We'll never simntu semambele kuthi.
Yeah.
Uyabona namanje bengade ngise Francis Bay.
Okay.
After PE
Yes.
and mawusuka ePE ngilente PE.
Okay.
From PE ngihambe almost 2 hours ukuya eMosel Bay to welcome iOrlando Pirates branch.
Oh, yes.
Of which that's a very good to see ukuthi
Kakhulu.
abantu basuka le bespend imali zabo bezala esigodini. Ngakho ukuthi siyaba assista siyababonisa ukuthi to love Orlando Pirates Football Club
Yes.
is mahala for free.
Yes.
We are volunteering and life volunteering.
Yes.
We not get paid.
Yes.
There's a people are believing say, hey, don't lie, guys, which worker is lying. They got paid. Guys, I buy the ticket, my merchandiser, everything. Akonto engiyikholelwa i-team.
Yes.
Lokho ngikwenza ngothando lwamahala for free, but not now. Long time ago, angaze ngashintsha. Yeah. Ingakho ngithi abalandeli asebenzeni very hard i-team yethu. That's why kumele ngaso sonke lapho idlala khona i-support maningi ama-team afisayo ukufana ne-Orlando Pirates Football Club, and then abanye kumalokishi wabo kuma-township wabo bayasibona masenza ama-events wama-branches ukuthi wow.
Babujwaha angisho bhodami ukuthi mohle umsebenzi.
Ngibonga kakhulu leadership nesupport yenu ukuthi nimane sometimes ngene nosijoina.
Yes.
I appreciate that ukuthi nibonisa abantu ukuthi sometimes nifeni ubonisa u90 minutes ukuthi besila nibabonisa ama results naphinda futhi nibanikeza la opportunity ukuthi babone na after mangabe ngekho ma games ukuthi mangekho ama games abalandeli behlezi bebusy abakazi ba relax.
Yes.
Yeah,
Bonga kakhulu babujwaha.
thank you very much.
Thank you member.